Hi there, I'm Rika. I'm from South Africa. It's great to meet you. I've been teaching English over 10 years. I hold a TEFL certificate. I've worked with students from all ages, from complete beginners to advanced learners, helping them to reach their personal, academic, and professional goals. My lessons are personalized, interactive, and focused on your needs. Whether you want to improve your conversation skills, grammar, pronunciation, prepare for a test, I'll help you feel more confident in English. I speak Afrikaans, English, and a little bit of Italian. If you're a beginner, I can use your native language to make learning easier when needed. If you're ready to learn and to have fun in a supportive way, then book a trial lesson with me. I look forward to helping you reach your goals.